Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be a BOXYCHARM unboxing. So this is the BOXYCHARM unboxing for December and I'm super excited about this one. So let's go ahead and unbox it. I have not seen anything so far on this, any reviews. I think they sent me one email, but I didn't even open it. I don't know what is in this box, so I'm super excited. It's all a surprise. So let's get right into it and I'm going to go ahead and open this up. Getting right into it. And first thing I see here is the little pamphlet. It says it's the season. 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 It's the season. But that's kind of cute. It has a little flamingo with a Santa hat. Kind of love that. Alright, so getting right into here. First thing I'm pulling out is a Pretty Vulgar translucent powder. So this looks really good. I'm excited about that. I love translucent powder, so you can never have enough. I feel like, especially with effects and beauty, I feel like I use it all the time. So this says, weightless skin smoothing translucent setting powder locks your makeup into place while enhancing the look of your foundation. The soft puff applicator delivers the right amount of powder, blurring and filling fine lines and minimizing the appearance of pores. This specially formulated powder absorbs oils and reduces shine, leaving behind a soft matte finish. So yeah, that's cool. Okay, so we'll try this out today. So that Pretty Vulgar setting powder is going to be $32, which pays for the subscription already. The box is $21 a month, and that right there is $32, so we haven't even opened the rest. Moving on, we're going to go into the next item. I have the Tarte Shimmering Lip Paint. Okay. Let's see. I wonder, is this like a liquid lipstick? Oh, okay. So this is like a shimmering lip gloss. Maybe with like some color, probably. You know, I have something just like this. So I'm not sure if I'm going to actually use this. I probably will give this away maybe for a Christmas present or a giveaway. So I'm not even going to, I'm not going to try it on or anything. But that is the Tarte Shimmering Lip Paint, and that, let's see here, retails for $20. It says this sheer lip gloss is infused with shimmering glitter and delivers a luscious, multi-dimensional, and high shine finish. The reflective glitter gloss can stand alone or as a lip topper, giving your lips a fuller look. The sunflower seed wax and mineral pigments coat, soothe, and soften the lips. Yeah, sounds good. Tarte's always good. $20 for this. Alright. And next, going in, we're getting a lip liner, and this looks like the exact color that I always get, so I'm actually really excited about this. It says Bodyography Lip Liner. This vegan, cruelty-free Bodyography lip pencil and antioxidant-rich infused with coconut oil and vitamin E. The smooth yet long-wearing formula glides effortlessly, delivering pigment that can frame, fill, and define the lips. Alright, cool. So I'm definitely going to try that on. And it's kind of like a nice brown mauve. I don't know. I actually like these colors. These are my favorite. So, yay. See how that looks a little bit later. I will try that on. So the next item is the Cosmedix Activated Charcoal Mask. And this is always good. These actually really pull all of the impurities out of your face, so I'm excited about using this. I have another one also that I have to finish, actually, from BOXYCHARM, the one with the lace. It's like a lace mask, so I have to finish that one before I start this one. Well, I don't have to, but it's sealed up. You know, I'll open it and I'll show you the consistency on my hand so you can like kind of see what it is, whether I'm really curious to see whether it's charcoal, like the one where it's a peel-off mask. It says here that you just massage it into your skin, leave it on for about 10 or 15 minutes, and then rinse it with warm water. So that's a little different than the other charcoal masks that dry and you can peel off and they kind of are painful. So this is exciting. Okay, now last thing. This feels like a hair tool. I thought this was like a shower cap or like a sleeping mask or something because it just looked like a black package in there. I didn't really like take a look at it. Oh my god! Is this what I think it is? Oh my gosh, it is. Yay. This is a mini tool. Oh my god, look at it. It's so cute. Oh my goodness. I love this. You could like throw this in your purse and just have it for a travel size little like, oh my goodness. I'm going to definitely try this out and show you guys how it works. And I love the color too. This is such a pretty like teal. I would choose this in the store. So I am so stoked on that. Oh my god, yay. Okay, so that is the entire box, and it comes with a little traveling pouch, I would say. And it retails for $75. Okay, so I counted up the retail value of all of these. So far we have the Tarte Lip Paint, which is $20. The Lip Liner, which is $12. The Pretty Vulgar Powder, which is $32. The Activated Charcoal Mask, which is $30. And the Mini Hair Straightener, super excited about that, which is $75 retail price. And that comes to a total of $169. So this box was $169 in retail value, and I paid $21. It's such a good deal. I don't know how everybody is not doing BOXYCHARM. So let's try on a few of these items here, because I'm definitely not gonna do the lip gloss, so sorry about that, but I'm giving that away. And this one I really am excited to use. This is the lip pencil in the color Timber. Now I have a little bit of lip gloss on it. I do love this color though. Yeah, I definitely like this. It matches like my skin tone kind of in the lipsticks that I usually like to wear. I feel like it's going to go really good with my Kat Von D Bow and Arrow color that I wear kind of daily. I'm going to go in with the Pretty Vulgar powder here. So this powder was this cute little powder puff on top. Let me just open this up. I'm going to take this off. I do like this. I feel fancy when I use these, even though I don't use them enough, but I just feel so fancy. Oh, I am liking how this is applying. I feel like it's pretty translucent. I'm not putting a lot because I don't want it to be cakey. I'm actually going to spray a little bit of setting spray just to kind of melt it into my skin. And next we got the Activated Charcoal Mask. So I'm just going to open this up. I'm going to show you on the back of my hand because I'm really curious to see what... Okay, so it's like a light gray. It's not like the black sticky molasses charcoal masks that, you know, you get that are really hard to peel off. They hurt. So I'm excited that this is a still charcoal mask that pulls out the impurities, but I'm not going to have to peel it off. So just to show you here, it is really creamy. And there's like little granules in there, so it's exfoliating as well. And it does say rub into your skin. So you want to really rub it in almost like a wash and then let it dry. And I guess rinse it off. So, and I already feel like it's tingling. It's very cooling. So yeah, there is the mask, and I love me a mask. I love any kind of clay masks because I feel like that really pulls out the impurities and the oils and the gunk that I have in my pores. So last thing we're gonna try out here is the little mini straightener. Super excited about this. I am letting it warm up so it does work. I was like, oh God, what if it doesn't work? So it's pretty hot at this point. Yeah, it's really hot. So I'm just gonna test it out, and I haven't done anything to my hair. I actually washed it last night, fell asleep, and slept on it pretty damp, so it's even more jacked up than it usually is. Just gonna take little piece. I mean, you can really only do little pieces, so this is kind of for like a bang touch-up, but just to smooth it out. Or you know, a lot of times when you're curling your hair at the ends, and you have all of this that you don't get to because the curls you don't want them to come all the way up here. This would be great just to go in and kind of smooth out all of those roots and kind of flatten them out. If you already have your hair kind of done and you just want to touch up and make those bangs, you want to make your bangs all smooth or kind of touch up a curl. Let's see if it does a curl. I'm just going to get a little tiny piece because really this is all like it can do. It's like a mini version. Kind of. There we go. I mean, that looks horrendous, but there's a curl. So it does curl and it straightens. That's horrible. Straighten that out. Oh my god. Now I just have this like, woo piece. What is this? It's not a curl, it's not straight, it's just like poking you. Let's see if this will actually work and straighten it out. Yeah, I mean, for the most part, it smoothed it out. So I'm excited about this. Very, very excited. Definitely not something that I could do my whole hair with, but it's great for having in your purse and touching it up. Definitely I'm going to use it just to kind of flatten my hair when I'm at work, touch-ups. Yes, I'm loving it. Or if you feel like, you know, you went out in the rain, your hair is a little bit frizzy, this, you know, can kind of smooth everything out, get down all those flyaways. And yes, my hair is like needing some serious help too. I need to curl it, I need to color it, and maybe get a haircut. So that's it. That's December's unboxing for BOXYCHARM. I hope that you guys liked it, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!